Peace and love to everybody. Today we're going to take a quick boot out to Hell's Gate, toss the drone up for a bit, some motorcycle videos. Here we are packing, getting ready. Nice, perfect day for riding. Warm, clear, lots of snow-capped mountains still. I didn't have the external microphone turned on, so there's no symphony coming. Just pretend you can hear it. Rah. And when we get to Hell's Gate, of course it's closed. Opens for the season in 1 week. A couple years ago I posted a Hell's Gate video on my YouTube channel, and I believe I explained about the fish passageways or whatever down there. A little light off-road riding, not too bad on his African twin, but lots of fun on my big old Harley. Quick Hell's Gate video, hope you enjoyed it. Join me for all my adventures on my YouTube channel, RSamson. Goodbye everybody.